In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a teachable theme. By the end, you'll feel confident tailoring your school's look so it matches your brand and feels consistent for students. Start by heading into your Teachable admin and opening Site, then Theme. Think of this as your visual control center. Everything you change here influences how your school appears across pages. It's a good idea to keep a preview tab open so you can see updates as you go, and remember to save your changes as you make them so nothing gets lost. Begin with your basic branding. Upload your logo so it appears clearly in key places like your header. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks clean against different color schemes. Make sure it's sharp at the size your theme uses. If it looks blurry, try a higher resolution version. Next, add your favicon, the tiny icon that appears in the browser tab. A simple, high-contrast square graphic works best because it's displayed very small. Finally, upload your school thumbnail. This image shows up in dashboards and when your site is shared, so choose something recognizable, on-brand, and readable at smaller sizes. After uploading each file, give the page a second to process and refresh your preview to confirm it appears correctly. Now, choose your fonts. Teachable includes a selection like Open Sans, Arial, and Railway, and your choice will apply across your site. Prioritize readability first. Your headings can have a bit more personality, while body text should be clean and easy on the eyes. If you pair a decorative heading with a simple body font, check that sizes and line spacing feel comfortable. Skim a few pages in your preview to check consistency and legibility on both desktop and mobile. Next, set your colors in the color palette section. Here you can adjust navigation, buttons, headings, text, and more. Use your brand's hex codes for exact matches. If you don't have them handy, you can copy them from your brand kit or design files so everything stays consistent. Pay close attention to contrast. Buttons should stand out against the background, and text should be easy to read on any section. Test a primary button against your background color, and make sure links are clearly visible and not easily confused with regular text. When you're happy with the look, save your changes and take a final pass through a few key pages. That's it. Your Teachable theme is now customized with your branding, fonts, and colors, creating a cohesive experience for your students.